My name is Palni Kumar. Overall experience in 25 years in IT industry. From there, actually, I started meditation, almost 2 years. So my diabetic level is 7.2, 7.5. That state is there. Then I came after 6 months. I come to know the BP also it is increased and my stress level and that also it is very high. So I taken the tablet for BP as well as diabetes and even stress also sometimes. So this is the condition actually last 1.5 years, 2 years. I changed some 2-3 hospital also. Some 2-3 doctors also I changed. Restoration actually I came to know from through my friends. Right. Then actually I heard about last 2 months. This without medicines, through diet we are able to control all this. Come to know. I'm interested actually. Then I approached the people. Then they given that all the whatever the things and they offered me. See, when the program started, actually, I have a confidence because I'm overweight. Actually, I want to reduce the weight. That is the only purpose which I taken the program 70%, 80%. And substitute to that, actually, I want to take even the diabetics also supposed we get control. That is what number of medicines supposed to be reduced. How much possible without medicine I want to survey. That is actually it's my intention. That's the reason I thought take this program. But over while actually I'm not feeling anything in terms of food everything whatever the registration things are offered for the food, right? That's really surprise to me. And my morning breakfast also, afternoon breakfast also, whatever I earlier eaten, same kind of food is there. But same time, I seen within 10 days, 15 days, I'm able to reduce some 4 kg to 5 kg. That is actually amazing, which I felt actually really happy. I'm not seen any result before, that 4 kg, 5 kg reduction. That's making very, very surprised. I'm interested after 11th days only because I've seen the result actually, it's make much vibrant. And my diabetic things are within 10 days, I drop all the medicines. So I'm through food and that massage and other things, I'm able to control completely. I'm able to take the control of my body. And right now, I'm not using any tablet except food, whatever the restoration club given the suggestion to me in terms of exercise as well as food. Then whatever the natural things are there, which are there subscribe me. That's helped me a lot. And now within 3 months, I'm able to reduce 13 kg. My complete diabetics also comes to control. My average is there right now. Before food is there 94, 95. After food is not crossed more than 140. The personal coach make much difference because your medicine or your schedule is not going to help actually. Time to time, the way you are feeling, what is exactly happening in your body in terms of massage, where your pain is here, or you have any digestion issue, or you are in between the course, you are feeling anything which is sudden health condition is going down or anything, right? Personal coaches make much difference because your diabetic checkings also, when any orthotic issue, that massage also, as well as the way we are taking intake food and the close every week monitoring of in terms of BP, sugar, other things, definitely make much difference, which is one of the unique feature of restoring healthcare center. See, my changes, if you're asking me my changes, very visible my changes, my weight reduction, that is make much difference. So the people visually see that, oh, you are reduced the weight. That is where first is changes, because more than inside, outside changes make much difference. That way I'm happy because my weight reduction has happened good way. And moreover, I get tired actually from morning to evening. I get some tired and I feel sometimes sleepy mood. All this will be there. Before sleep and after sleep, right? I'm 100% perfect. Actually, I don't have any problem. And that the food also accommodated very well. The restoration, whatever it suggests, the food also does help very well. And really, it is a good to take this program. And if you don't want a medicine, this is the right program for you.